Kiowa has many words with lengthened vowel sounds, which are drawn out. When you hear Kiowa, you will notice that speakers hold some sounds for a longer duration than other sounds. We signal the extended sounds with a colon, which looks like this. When you see the colon, it is telling you to extend a sound. There are many examples of Kiowa words that change meaning if spoken too quickly. We cannot ignore the sounds of Kiowa because we are English speakers. English is insufficient for communicating Kiowa sounds. That is why the symbols that we use are so important.
Mackenzie is determined to help all of us understand the Kiowa language.
Hey, oh God, adverb. Right now. That's what that means. Hey, oh God. Hey, oh God. Hey, oh God.
But Mackenzie is determined to help all of us understand the Kiowa language.
Hey, oh God, adverb. Right now. That's what that means. Hey, oh God. Hey, oh God.
Oh, saw me. They owned it.